Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a task in Wrike. All right, go ahead and log into your Wrike account. And once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel. And then you're just going to want to select your space. For example, this space right here. Now I'm going to go ahead over to the plus sign to add a view. Okay, click on it. Now let's go ahead and select, for example, board. Okay, I'm going to click on it. Now let's say, for example, I'm going to assign someone later. I'm just going to select anyone with access. All right, just hit on create or rename the board. For example, YT project. Okay, hit on create. Here you go. First task right here, for example, the assignee right here, it is me. You can go ahead and invite someone. Just click on invite by email right here. Enter the email address and just hit on send invite. Okay, once that's done, click on it again, and then you're going to want to click on the task right here. Say, for example, we're going to name it first task. Okay, in the description, record a video about Wrike. Okay, once that's done, just click away or click on the close button. All right, and here, as you can see, we have a date, start date, which is today, and the day it will end will be 3 days from now. Just click on it if you want to change the due date. All right, click on due date. Now go ahead and select the date, for example, 30, which will be 17 days. Hit on save, and it will be changed. Now, when someone works on it, you can just drag and drop to planned, in progress. You can delete this one, move it to in review. Now complete it. Okay. Again, if you want to share it, at the top right, we have the share space right here. And just add a member by name or email. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.